Hello folks, Bryce Hitsfield here with Seven Sons Farms. We'd like to do a quick video of our new goslings we got in yesterday. So I'm going to flip the camera around so we can all get a closer look. So we've been using geese on our farm now for a couple of years. They help guard and protect our 5,000 lane hens that live out in pasture during the summer months from the endangered red-tailed hawks that live in the area. So when these guys are full grown, they'll be anywhere from 10 to 15 pounds. So just their size and the fact that they're very noisy, as many of you may know who've been around geese, all that helps to deter any hawks from coming around and keeps our laying hens safe. So there's a total of 7 of them here, and they have not been named yet. So feel free to name them down in the comment section below. And later on this summer, we'll do an updated video and let you know what names we picked. So feel free to like this video and check us out online at sevensons.net or on Facebook. And until next time.